Are you ready to hear the truth? The truth that no more rationalizing, no more reasons, and no more distractions will get you to your dream. It's time to shut out the world and give up everything that is keeping you from your goals. Forget about the clubs, parties, and getting drunk. Now is the time to stay focused. It's up to you to make it happen. The only thing that can stop you is yourself. Don't let weakness fill you. Commit, go all in, and dedicate yourself to your dream. You must eliminate distractions and get laser focused on what you want. Be starving, hungry, and desperate to get it. The combination of desperation and hunger with laser focus over an extended period of time is the formula to be great at something. You must be intentional and deliberate. Decide what you're going to do and do it every day. Don't let off the gas, never stop, and never quit.
Remember, people who are extremely well accomplished have the ability to mentally flip that switch to where they don't have a choice but to do the things they need to do. It's about holding out, not quitting when you're tired, but quitting when you're done.
You have the power to make your dreams a reality. It's not about having money, human resources, or support. It's about dreaming, eating, sleeping, rehearsing, and talking about your dream. Then it becomes your reality. Execution is worshipped. So, if you're ready to be great at something, to be relentless, and never stop until you're done, then make up your mind, commit, and execute. Your life will get better, and your future will be brighter. The only thing that can stop you is you. Now, it's time to take action. Focus on one thing, and master it. The rest will fall into place.